Trend Alert com Tessa Peters.
Pero tu costa queda de obtener el balance. E yang. Como te logra crear esa bebida, aunque con droga botar, não tem excusa para poner um pouquinho mais atenção ao local de botinha dentro da corpo. Comida saudável com tremendo sabor. Esse é convertir Garden Fresh Café na Playa Linda de fenômeno local.
I come in all the time due to the nutritional foods that they provide me. Obviously, I teach 8 hours a day pretty much, and I compete myself. But I get the right nutritional foods that I may need for my body. So not do I get to choose from what you see on the board, but I also get to make my own custom shakes. I get to make my own custom salads, burritos if I may like. So.
Pero bono mister tá health freak para apreciar o menu.
Almost every day when I'm here, I enjoy it because it gives me energy and it's fresh. Here it's hot, so better having something fresh that gives you energy. Instead of having a sparkling soft drink, first of all for the calories that they give, and then it's not good for the health.
E se você não tem muito tempo para pensar em boa comida, não tá problema na Garden Fresh Café.
Lo que aval me opta mané com fácil para ir aqui na nang, para just haya parkeerplaats na outra banda, de drink bijvoorbeeld, but in tubo daily essentials lang, let's just gewoon one stop go, and that's it. The same time will be great.
Ito bing ang kabira on a weekly basis. Ito traha ki banda desit hobi accessible pa mi kinana. Itong healthier choice ko kiko nos tinki banda nang desit hobi mas mejor.
E tu rende por apreciar um menu exquisito, pero tem algo outro que te atrai cada dia mais gente para Garden Fresh Café. Essa aqui tá su shot nang, seja de wheatgrass ou de ginger, que tem verdadeiro kick de sabor.
It's nice. From where I'm from, it's pretty normal eating spicy food, but it's a good shot. We'll see how the immune system goes up.
And since then, I've been kind of hooked. It kind of energizes me, but at the same time, it actually gives you the right nutritional value for your body, enhances your metabolism.